Yes, so now we are discussing about the construction business options. In that today we are discussing about chalkboard. Chalkboard is a flat vertical writing surface on which anything can be inscribed by means of a piece of chalk. The device is generally used for educational purposes, but it can also be found in the workplace, the home and restaurant. While chalkboards can be manufactured from a variety of materials, porcelain enamel is the most common material used in today's chalkboard. And next point is reading board. Eventually, the horn book evolved into the reading board. This was a strip of about 15 inches in length, also containing the alphabet and other learning aids, that was hung at the front of the late 18th century. From the reading board came the concept of general chalkboard for all students in the classroom to both view and use. What are the raw materials in chalkboard? Most modern chalkboards are made of porcelain enamel. In this particular manufacturing process, a tough and durable material such as steel is used as the base. There are several thicknesses of steel used in the manufacturing of chalkboards, but the most common is 22 gauge. Another crucial element is the silica, a crystalline compound derived from quartz or similar minerals found in the crust of the earth. Silicon is a tough compound and is called silica when combined with oxygen. Silica is found in most rocks and is a common ingredient in many glass and ceramic products. The surface of chalkboard is usually a blend of inorganic compounds such as powdered glass, opacifier, and oxides and organic element that provides color to the coating material. And design is chalkboards can be manufactured in a variety of sizes, styles, and colors. The most common hues are green and black, although shades of brown, blue, and grey are also available. And next point is the manufacturing process. Preparation of steel. The manufacture of chalkboards begins with large sheets of steel in desired sizes enter the manufacturing facility from an outside supplier. The steel is rolled and inspected for irregularities upon arrival. Next, the large sheets are sent into a chemical washer. This chamber washes, rinses, and dries the steel. When the step is completed, the steel is again inspected for flaws and imperfections. Next point is applying slip. Next slip is applied in the sheets of steel. A slip is a mixture of clay or another organic compound applied to a surface during the manufacture of porcelain or other ceramics. In this case, the slip is usually made from silica and applied to both sides of the steel sheet by passing it through a coating chamber. The coating must be at least 0.0025 inches thickness. The slip is set aside to dry. The sheets once again pass through an inspection process before they are transferred to the ground coat furnace area. And next point is firing. The ground coat area of the area of the manufactured facility typically houses a large furnace chamber. The sheets of steel are fed into the chamber and subjected to high temperatures. This often the steel allows fusion of the slip with the steel. This is crucial step in all porcelain manufacturing and fabrication of industrial ceramics. Next point is applying the surface compounds. Once the newly porcelain material leaves the furnace, it is treated with a surface coating compound. Typically, this compound is derived from glass opacifiers and imparts a smoother texture to the board. Oxides for color may also be added. Again, this coating must be at least 0.0025 inches thickness. The boards are once again sent to a drying area. After they are completely cooled and dried, they are once again inspected for surface blemishes and uniformity of color. And next point is fusing the coats. Next, the boards are placed in a cover coat furnace. The purpose of this heating process is to fuse the first ground coat with the surface coat. A temperature of at least 1200 degrees F is needed to successfully complete the process. Next, the chalkboards are passed through a cooling chamber which gradually reduces the temperature of the steel so that the flat sheets don't buckle or weaken, which might occur if felt to cool by themselves. And next point is final surface preparation. Next, the surface of the chalkboard is laminated onto a fiber board. The backing material must be at least 0.44 inch thickness. A special adhesive is used for this application. In the next few steps, the finishing touches are put onto the board. A hood of wood or aluminum trim is added to the edges of the make a border, and accessories such as chalk trays, map rails, and hoops and flag holders are attached. And the next point is quality control. The manufacturing of porcelain enamel chalkboards falls under the category of industrial ceramics, and manufacturers of the product adhere to standards set by the Porcelain Enamel Institute. One important guideline of this organization is its gloss standard. This is measured by a 45 degrees C gloss meter. According to the specifications, the gloss of chalkboard can't exceed the 3 units as measured by the meter. This ensures uniformity of writing surface. Further quality specifications as to durability are also detailed in Porcelain Enamel Institute guidelines. This is the information regarding chalkboard. Chalkboards are also most important, especially in the academics side. Nowadays also boards are using with chalkboard to explain the information to students and college guys also. Wishing you all the best.